Hello, so my scent bird for July is here, and it's the same drill as every time. I pick what I get like months and months in advance. I know what I'm getting, but yeah, let's get into it. Let's go over the scents, their scents, the scents, and their scent profiles, and whether or not I like them just off of first impressions. Alrighty. First little tube. This is Skylar Coconut Cove. These bottles are so hot right now because I just got them out of the mailbox. So, Skylar Coconut Cove. The coastal wind carries creamy coconut through green trees to meet you with a tranquil touch. A scent to transport your spirit to an exotic haven on the breathtaking coast. The notes are bergamot, coconut, and ambrox. Just wave that around a little bit so I don't get like that alcohol scent. Ooh, that's a very like clean, fresh coconut scent. I like that. I like that a lot. Ooh, I'm enjoying this. Before even like putting it on my body and seeing if it like mingles with the natural pH of my skin, I love this scent. We'll see if it changes. And the other, if I don't drop everything. And the other scent is Eau La Rouge by Christian Serrano. A sparkling and bright, yet rich, intoxicating fragrance with the element of gourmand temptation, the distinctive saffron flower, luminous zest of ruby grapefruit, and the nutty creaminess of a chanted praline create a vibrant allure. A bouquet of opulent white florals receives a modern twist. Musk and amberwood add a subtle touch of warmth and a layer of sensuality. The notes are saffron flower, ruby grapefruit, praline, white star jasmine, and amberwood. Now this sounds amazing. Let's see if it actually is amazing. Shake it out so I don't get the alcohol notes right off the bat. Ooh. This smells like if you were to make like a dessert cocktail with bourbon in it. That's what I'm getting off of this. Oh, I love that. Ooh. Honestly, both winners, both scents for very different occasions because a clean, fresh coconut versus like a bourbon cocktail. Obviously you'd wear those in two very different settings, but goddamn, they smell great. I am excited to wear them. See y'all next month when I get my August scents. Bye.